Delayed warning for my county. Sirens are going off. Can't show you that much because of the windows. Holy crap. This is scary stuff right here. I really cannot open the door. Okay, yes I can. Holy crap. Looks like I gotta get inside. Oh my god. Crazy. I would've just got down here. Looks like the it looks like a yeah. I really cannot. I'm gonna go lost from here. Jeez, this is scary. Okay, I'm back inside. Holy crap. Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, eastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, eastern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi.
There goes the sirens.
County in central Mississippi until 5.
Holy crap.
Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
So we gotta take shelter right now.
Moving east at 45 miles per hour.
I'm literally just outside, dude. Holy
50
crap.
miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated.
I think they're going to go off again. I don't know.
Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookhaven, Hazlehurst, Wesson, Bude, Enterprise, Union Church, Casado, Peyton, McCall Creek, Boomshill, West Lincoln, Little Springs, Red Lick, Center Point, Kirby, Martinsville, New Hope, Blue Hill, Allen and Vaughn. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, south central, and southwestern Mississippi. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central Rankin and southeastern.
Oh my god,
counties.
dude.
At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Wait, did it glitch?
Tornado is
I think it
located
glitched.
over Jackson.
Holy crap.
5 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: broadcast media confirmed tornado.
Holy crap.
Flying debris will be dangerous.
I'm trying to get the TV up, but I can't.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
I think that was a glitch.
This tornado will be near, going forward around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rain at around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah.
Tallahatchie around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Scary stuff right here.
A tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued
Yeah, I think that was a glitch.
storm warning for southeastern Claiborne County and southwestern Mississippi, Lincoln County and
Can't stay out here that long, but it is. Freaking sirens are going off. Loud as heck. The siren's like located over there. And it's like another siren just located over there. Yeah, holy crap. Jeez. It is 2021. I mean 2022. And then we're in March right now. It's the 30th. Jesus. I'm just gonna be quiet right now. I thought some of the sirens doesn't work when they blow out, when they go off. Like our siren, and now it goes off. There they go. Crazy stuff. This is very creepy. Southeastern Heights. I think that's where I live. And they just went off. Wow. Crazy stuff. Holy crap. Alright, I'm just gonna stop recording. Alright, see ya.